Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. I'm at a project in Orange that I designed, and I wanted to show you what the garden looks like months and months after it's been installed. I can't recall if it was installed end of last year, beginning of this year, but thereabouts. Anyway, before I show you what this garden looks like, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. Okay, so on this side of the project, we have some Calilophis hartwigii sundrops, an existing Refugio manzanita, some autumn sage, more existing plant material. And then in this section, we put some Siskiyou blue fescue. They haven't grown super much, but they're not dead. Thank God. And then we had kept the hardscape for budget reasons. So now in this area we have more autumn sage and sundrops. Here we have the existing magnolia, more sundrops, and woolly blue curls. The homeowner had one existing Howard McMinn manzanita over there, so we added another one. I mean, look at that bark. And of course, the stunning dry riverbed. I love this so much. Now, oddly enough, while these Siskiyou blue fescues haven't grown that much, these, I mean, oh, this garden looks gorgeous, and I'm so insanely happy with it. And then in this side area, more sundrops and 3 Ceanothus concha. This garden just looks so beautiful. Okay, maybe we did lose a plant. I couldn't even tell you what this was. Something. Hey, that's par for the course in any garden. You may lose a plant. That's okay. I love this dry riverbed. Oh, the different colorations. And I like that there's a lot of red since there's the existing red brick.